Hey friends, welcome back to App IQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection on your Windows 11 PC. So in case you're having issues experiencing no internet connection, you want to go ahead and try these steps. Now I'm going to start with the basics before getting to something more technical. Now, the most important thing you want to do is to check if you have the internet turned on. So if you look on the lower right hand side and you're not seeing, for example, that the Wi-Fi is there, you can go ahead and check to see if it's showing like a little airplane. It could be that you have airplane mode turned on. And if so, you click on it and you just ensure that you turn off the airplane mode by selecting Wi-Fi. Right. And so once you go ahead and select the Wi-Fi, you'll be able to also see other internet that you can connect to, and you can just select the internet that you want. If it requires a password, you enter the password and so forth. However, if this is not the issue, I want to recommend that you check your modem to see if it's also turned on. It could be that it's plugged out. You can check to see if you have all the lights there. If everything looks good there, what about checking your phone to see if your phone, for example, is connected to the network? If your phone is connected and you have internet through your phone as well, then the issue is not with your internet. The issue will most likely be with your computer. And if you have internet on your phone but not on your PC, go ahead and restart your computer. Restart your computer by simple right click on the Windows icon right here, and you will find the option shutdown or sign out. You hover over that and click on restart. Restart your PC to see if that fixed the problem. Now, if it fixed the problem of the restart, then great. But if it does not solve the problem and you realize that you're still having issues, I'm going to share with you more steps that you can take. But let's get back to the router situation. If the issue is with your router, you can go ahead and unplug your router for about 30 seconds. And sometimes you'll find on the router itself, on the back, that there's a little hole for reset. You can take a pin or something and just press into the back for about 30 seconds, and it will go ahead and just quickly do a reset for you. It does not mean that it's going to change your password or anything. It just simply mean that it's just going to do a quick reset of your box. And if you plug it in again, you can go ahead and try to see if that works. Now, if this does not work, and again, if the issue is not with your router, then you can go ahead and try the following. I'm going to show you how you can also flush your DNS on your PC so that you can try to see if this actually fixes a problem on your laptop. Now, what you want to do is just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and type in CMD. Now, you want to right click on this and run this as administrator. You'll get a pop-up for user account control. Click on yes, and it's going to open up CMD for you. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and type the following. I'm not going to type them in right now because my internet is perfectly fine, but I'm going to share with you some command that you can go ahead and use. So you want to go ahead and type, for example, ipconfig space forward slash release, and it's going to release it for you. And you will go ahead and also type ipconfig space forward slash renew. Again, you also type ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. These can literally help to fix your internet problem, especially if you're having issues with DNS. So you can flush the DNS. Do these things, guys, and go ahead and try again to see if the issue fix on your PC for your internet. Once you're done, you can go ahead and close this window here. No, I want to also show you one more thing that you can try. You can go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go into settings. What we can do from here is we can reset our network settings. And so you want to go ahead and click on network and internet from here, scroll down to advanced network settings. And from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and you will find network reset. Click on network reset and reset your network. Try these things. I hope one of these things will literally help fix your internet problems. And so if you're experiencing no internet connection on your PC, one of these most likely should fix the problem for you. Unless you're having some issues with your network provider that you realize, hey, I tried all of these things, nothing work, no internet on my phone, no internet on my PC, then you want to go ahead and check with your network provider. But lastly, if you really need internet on your phone, let's say you have an Android phone, you could set up a mobile hotspot on your phone. And so all you'd have to do, for example, on Android, I'm going to just walk you through the steps. You'll just want to go ahead and open up settings on your Android phone and click on connections under your Android phone. and you will just see in the list mobile hotspot and tethering. You click on that and you'll need to turn on the hotspot. Once you turn on the hotspot, you will need to tap on it as well, and you'll be able to see the internet right there. So once you turn on the hotspot, you will see that it pops up on your phone. I'm gonna just show you right here. I'm not gonna share my screen on my mobile, but I'm gonna show you because I just turn it on, and my network on my phone is Little Galaxy. So if I click right here and click on, for example, this option right here to look for other networks, you will see right away that when you turn on your mobile hotspot, it will also detect on your PC as well that you can connect. And see, this is the Little Galaxy. And this is coming from my Samsung Galaxy phone. And so if you follow those steps, you'll be able to actually turn on mobile hotspot, and you can connect to your computer with your hotspot from your phone. So, guys, these are some of the things that you can literally try to fix the network issue on your PC if you're having no internet connection. I hope this helps. If it does, I really appreciate if you let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Up IQ. I'm Andrew, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.